Just finished getting all the remaining supplies that we are missing, hopefully. Tomorrow we will start at the new location and I'll see exactly what it is that we are missing. Pardon my slurry words, it's been a long ass day. Got a whole bunch of chemicals over here. Checklist for exactly what it is we had to get for the new contract. I should probably turn the camera. Pretty much got everything I need. Some flowers for the lady. That's about it. Some rags, mopping system, all that good stuff. So I will bring you guys along for the ride when I'm organizing all the supplies. Just got here to the new spot. Let me show you guys exactly what we are working with. Got all the bottles, all the rags, all the chemicals, the office cart, cleaning cart, all the different components, vacuums, and yeah, we're gonna get to it. All right, we're inside the closet room right now. We just cleaned it out a little bit because the previous cleaning company was not doing the best job, hence why we replaced them. We got some chemicals over here. We still got some more organizing to do. We'll show you everything when it's all organized. See what we got thrown out for trash. Some things like that. There's all the supplies that we had brought in, the cart we're gonna use. So yeah, let's get to organizing. This is a DIY shelf, huh? Cool. Well, got all the chemicals laid out here to give you a better view of what we got going on. Some degreaser, some disinfectants, of course Clorox, some pine Sol for some smell, some that purple lavender smell. So we should be ready to get rocking and rolling, get cleaning. Finally. First things first, the flooring. If you look at the floor, it's quite a big location actually. If you look at it, 2 floors. And not only is it 2 floors, but we have to do all of the individual suites and offices as well. So you can see going down there, there's a lot of offices. Down over there, there's a lot of offices, including upstairs. And if you really look at how the previous cleaning companies work was looking, you can just see, yeah, that's been a long time since it's been cleaned. Everything looks like that. And when you can see visual dust like that, it's been there for a long time. All the flooring as well is what I'm going to start with. The dusting, the high-low dusting, and of course the bathrooms. So yeah, I'm not going to break it down exactly what we're going to do in the individual suites because there's a lot of private offices as well. Pretty sure there's some people still in there. So yeah, I'm going to do a little B-roll of us recording and of us cleaning and get to it. So let's get it. Actually, before I get going, I just have to show the level of filth that these, I guess what you call statues or carvings of wood have. Like the one I already demonstrated to you guys, but look at this. Wow. That is insane. Every little individual wood piece looks like that. So imagine the stairs, all the statues, everything. Look at this. Yeah, we're going to be here for a while. So just had to go back and show that exactly how filthy this building actually is. Even from here. Wow. So yeah, We're going to be here for a while. But let's get it. So a couple hours have went by and we just finished up the deep clean. You can see no dust on any of this. Everything looks good. Everything looks shiny. It's already nighttime. Floor looks sparkly. No dust on the floor, no hairs, no nothing. All the wooding, all the wood furniture, everything looks good. Everything looks disinfected. The stairs, everything on the stairs looks amazing. This wood fixture over here, which took me quite some time to clean, was actually pretty bad. Everything. Got some spots to touch up over here in the corners. Gotta get a little toothbrush to hit that up. Nonetheless, everything looks fantastic. Let's go ahead and check this elevator real quick. Flooring looks awesome. Elevator, cool. Everything in the elevator looks good. Everything's polished. Some scratches on the elevator. Can't do nothing for that though. Everything looks fantastic. Cool. Carpet, floor, couch. Everything is fitted. See, the lights are actually turned off. It's a little spooky in here. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching the short little deep clean video on this beautiful account. A lot of work went into making it look fantastic. The carpet looks, definitely needs a clean, like a steam cleaning. Oh, it's still wet right here. So yeah, all of this looks good. Furnishings over here looks fantastic. Cool. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Hope to see you in the next one.